So in this video, guys, we're going to talk about the relational operators, right? So you understand from the word relation. Relation means you know what relation is, okay? So relational operators compares two values and return a boolean result, okay? So it will just give you a boolean result, true or false, right? So you see here are some operators and meaning these double equals means equal to, right? So if it in mathematics uh, we just see one equal to sign, right? So here we see two equal to signs. That means if A is equal to B, then we will write A equal B, right? So if we write in programming, if we write A only one equal B, that means B is assigned in A, right? So we already know that. And these operators, guys, operator is not equal to, right? So if A not equal to B, then we can write in this way. Suppose A is 5, A has value of 5 and B has value of 4, then we can write A not equal to B, right? This is greater than, guys, uh, A greater than B. So this is less than and this is greater than or equal to, okay? So let's say uh, X is greater than 10 or equal to 10, okay? So in these types of case we write this, okay? So we will see the programs of this all the signs, right? So see this program. If you take this program, then you see how we can like you know here A is 5, B is 5, right? B has 5, A has 5, and then if A equals B, that means if A is equal to B, then we will write A is equal to B, otherwise else A is not equal to B. These are just simple program, guys. I hope you understand everything here, okay? So this is what equals sign, guys, and the next equal not equal to, right? If we take this program and you know int A equals 5 and B equals 3, right? So they are not equal. So if A not equal to B, we will print A is not equal to B, right? And the new line, and then else A is not A is equal to B, okay? So I hope you understand this as well. These are just simple program, guys, okay? Greater than, right? So if you take the greater than, so if A has 10, B has 5, okay? So if A is greater than B, of course it's A is greater than B, then we will write printf A is greater than B, right? Otherwise A is not greater than B, okay? So if you just reduce the value here, you say A is 3, B is 5, then A is not greater than B. So this is how it works, guys. Okay, less than, if you take this program and you see what outputs okay, so you don't need to read everything on ChatGPT, guys. You can save your time just running the program. And another thing that, guys, uh, these easy programs, I don't write these easy programs, right? Because these are really easy. So in the beginning you should try to type words, right? You have to type, otherwise you can't make your muscle memory, right? So try to, at least for a few months, try to write on your own, okay? So I did for I confess that I'm not a very good programmer, but I did for a few months, okay? I spent hours doing this, okay? So now I feel a little bit confident that I don't have to write this kind of stuffs. But when I make any project, then I usually type, right? Okay, int A equals 3, B equals 7, right? So if A is less than B, then A is less than B, okay? So if you just if you increase A by 10, then you will see A is not less than B, you see? So these are just relational operators, guys. And greater than or equal to, you can see this program here as well. You see, uh, it's equal, right? So it will be true because it's not greater, but it's equal, right? If okay, so A is a is greater than or equal to b. Okay, so if you give greater value here like 10, then it will say a is greater than or equal to, right? If you give here like 6, then it will give you a is not greater than, right? So this is how it works, guys. These are just simple logic, right? Less than or equal to, you see, less than or equal to here. um, these are just same things, guys. uh, a equals 5, b equals 10. Okay, so a less than or equal to, so yes, it will be true. But if you increase a by 15, then it will give you the second condition, the else condition, right? Okay, so there is summary, guys. So this that's it for this video, guys. We will see logical operators in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Day by day we will increase the difficulty level, right? Thank you.